Alright, so you know my friend Miss Walsh across the hall. And you know she loves Dunkin' Donuts. So she had some money. And she decided she was going to go crazy on her class. And she spent $68. $68 on her class. And she only had $38 left. How much money did she have to start with? How much money did she have to start with? So, Miss Walsh had some money. She spent $68 on Dunkin' Donuts for her class. Now, she only has $38 left. How much money did she have to start with? A Google car? Everybody's tracking a Google car loud and proud.
Miss Walsh has some money. She spent $68 for Dunkin' Donuts on her kids. Now she only has $38 left. How many did she have to start with?
Donovan, loud and proud.
Miss Walsh has some money. She spent $86 on her. $68 on her class. She went to Dunkin' Donuts. When she came back, she had $38 left. How much money did she start with?
Brian, loud and proud.
Miss Walsh had some money. She spent $68 on Dunkin' Donuts for her class. Now she has $38 left. How much money did she have to start with?
Okay, is Miss Walsh is the answer going to be more or less than $68? More for thumbs up, thumbs down for less. Okay, I see a few different answers. Joslyn, why is Miss Walsh going to have more than $68 to start with?
The reason I think Miss Walsh is going to have more than $68 when she starts with, because if they say she start with, then we're going to have to add 68 plus 38, so then we can get, so then we can get to an answer to see how much money did Miss Walsh have to start with, because it's not saying how much money that she had left or how much money that she used up to get to $38 left.
Tracking me. Okay, silently I want you to write the number sentence in the air. Back to sport when you're finished. 3, 2, 1, sport. Tracking me. Okay, boys. 1, get ready. 2, stand up. Go back to your desk, immediately work silently. 3, to your desks. Girls, 1, get ready. Hands on top. Hands on. Tracking me now. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Good. Okay. I want red and green. 2. Stand up. Red and green. 3. To the rug. Yellow and blue. Come on, get ready. 2, stand up. 3, silently to the rug. Miles looks perfect. So right now we're going to have our discussion and discourse about what we just worked on. I need everybody's hands folded. I need everybody sitting up nice and tall. And I need your eyes tracking me the entire time. Additionally, I need your voices to be loud and proud. Thumbs up if you've got it. Okay, and 9. Please come up, show us what you got.
First, I put the number 68. Plus 10 equals 78. 78 plus 10 equals 88. 88 plus 10 equals 98. 98 plus 8 circles equals 106.
Okay, so where's your 10, 10, 10, and 6 coming from?
The 10, 10. The 10, 10, 10.
Oh, I'm sorry.
8 is coming from the 38.
And what's your number sentence that matches your work?
68.
Keep her down. I want to see your face. Okay.
68 plus 38 equals 106.
Does anyone have any questions for Anaya? Ariana?
You put 8 circles. I put 8 circles to represent the 8 and 38.
Alex?
Why did you just put 8 instead of the 8 circles? Because I wanted to count off from 98.
Thank you, Anaya. Brian? Show us what you got.
First, I put 38 plus 60 equals 98. Then I put 98 plus 8 equals 106.
Then what'd you do?
Then I put a circle around the 60 and the 8.
Why?
So I could make sure it was a 68.
Okay. Number sentence that matches your work.
38 plus 68 equals 106.
Questions for Brian? Batista.
Why did you start with 38?
Because I started with 38 because I wanted to find another way to use the number sentence.
Last question, Denasia.
How come you put the 60 in? How come you the 68 instead of putting 20?
Because I wanted to get my answer fast so it could save me time.
So how else can we say that? All right, thank you, Brian. Michaela, come on up. You're up. Tell us what you did.
First, I put 68
Mm-hmm.
plus 30 equals 98. Then I put 98 plus 8 equals 106. And then I put a box around the 106.
Okay, and where did this 30 and 8 come from?
It came from the dollars that Miss Walsh had left.
Okay, $38 left. Number sentence that matches your work.
68 plus 38 equals 106.
You got it, girl. Jocelyn.
Next question is
All eyes on Jocelyn. Raina.
my question is
Jordan.
Silent and respectfully tracking Jocelyn. Okay, Jocelyn.
my question is why did you do the strategy? My question is why did you do the strategy and why did you think it was more efficient for you?
I did that strategy because I know that she had $68 that she spent, and I wanted to figure out what's 68 plus 38 because that's the only numbers that we have. We don't know the answer.
Okay, thank you, Michaela. So now we're going to talk about similarities and differences that we see between these three great but different strategies. Go take a seat, Michaela. Denasia.
What?
We're going to wait for everyone to silently track Denasia.
What is different is Anaya and Ryan, there's something different. That Anaya's daughter was 60 and Ryan's daughter was 38.
Okay, so can you talk more about like what you're seeing with the number sentence?
What I'm saying about the number sentence is that Ryan put 68 in the middle and Anaya put 3 tens and 8 circles.
Right. So 3 tens, 8 circles. We're still getting 38. Okay. One more similarity or difference. Raina.
What's similar to was different from Brian and Michaela's is that Brian
Brainwaves.
Brian clustered the 68 and Michaela clustered the 38 because and Michaela and Brian's number story is kind of similar, but it's switched around.
Oh, okay. So here we started with 68. Here we started with 38. And our box answer is 106 in both. Shh. Okay. That was beautiful mathematics. Kiss your brains.